instant slow you down mud.
That's recording.
Yeah. Are you listening?
3,
You're not listening.
2, 1, go. No, I'm not listening. What?
Dude, it's not.
You're the one who wanted to do this all week.
Thought it was gonna be
It's your idea.
and still sandy.
This is Sage. I'm Rob. It's a Dyer thing, and this is a bad idea. So,
Dude, it's gonna be horrible.
We're just gonna be horrible.
Mess up. It's like slow you down, bud.
So Sage's idea, and he's been bugging me now for what? Almost 2 weeks now.
So torn up, dude.
So well, we're gonna find out, right?
You're gonna
2 weeks.
fall,
You're
not
the one who
me.
wanted to do this, right? So for the past 2 weeks, he's been bugging me. Oh, I want to do a 2-up video on the XT250.
It's not gonna go well.
So this video is called 2-up Buttercup. Buckle up, man. So, all right, so here we go, man. We're gonna.
You have the keys for that?
Yeah, I got the keys. I got everything off. So my bike hit. No, I got my wallet. We're okay. We're ready for the air ambulance.
Connect the headset. Connect your headset.
Oh, connect my headset. Why? We don't need to. I'm gonna be screaming the whole time here, right? So, oh, we gotta put the foot peg down. Why are we doing it on the XT and not on the WRs? Because on the WR I've removed the actual foot pegs.
Dude, this is a bad idea.
This is a bad idea. It was your idea. You wanted to do this, right? So, you have control.
I don't even have room for my feet.
Okay, here, I'm gonna okay, here we go. No, okay, wait, stop at the top here. Stop at the top here. Stop at the top here.
Okay, this is gonna be fun.
Stop at the top here. I'm extending it. I gotta extend this a bit more. Okay, here we go. Okay, you have the control. Please don't kill me. Oh, Jesus fucking. Oh my God. Dude, you remember? Seriously, you better make sure you have control of this bike, because I have no control. We have no suspension, no control. Watch the GoPro camera in the trees. Oh my God. This is okay. I'm off. Straight. Oh, you're back. You went that boy. Okay. My legs are so high up, dude. Like, oh, please don't. No, Sloan. I didn't say this was a time attack, last time attack. What if we... Yeah, don't forget, we're going to wheelie it very easily, eh?
It's running.
Huh?
It's very running.
Running?
Yeah, watch.
How's it running?
Watch.
Oh, my butt. Oh, yeah, look at the mud. Seriously, dude. Seriously, take it. Oh, you're hurting me, man. This really hurts. Take it. It's nice and slow. It's going to hurt. It's going to hurt, dude. It's like I want to try and put my foot down. It's not a natural feeling for me not to put. Oh, he's whiting this up here too.
Yeah, I'm over it.
Oh wow, he's made a big progress here. But it's a natural feeling for me. No, this is an unnatural feeling. Oh wow! This is like going to the chiropractor, dude. Like seriously. Whoa! What is that feeling like? Oh my God, we're going over, the tiniest little bump, and it bottoms out the suspension. Jesus Christ. Oh, stop! Oh, look at the mud. Mud. hit that jump. Oh my god! Ow, ow! Don't hit that jump! Don't hit that jump! Oh, get me off! Get me It's every time, like you can almost stand up, right? But almost every time, every bump that there is. Oh, we bottom out and I feel it right in my spine. Oh, anyways, there you have it, man.
It's tiring.
That was Sage.
It's very technical.
Oh, technical. That was like suicidal, man.
Watch where I turn.
Oh. There you have it, man. That was absolutely freaking nuts with Sage Rob XT250. That was double up, man. You're going the wrong way, guys. Other way. Other way. Okay, well, when they come around, we'll tell them. Huh? Oh, okay. Cool. All right, we're going to do a couple of laps.
Not with that.
No, I am. We'll both do a couple of laps, right? I want to play a bit, right?
Double up?
No, I'm not doubling up anymore with you. Are you mad? That is the scariest thing ever, dude. So
my steering got loose.
yeah. I know. Well, that's it. The bike is kind of like lifting up. It's like yeah. No,
it's very rocky on some parts.
It's okay. So anyways, there you go. There you have it. That's Rob and Sage. That was a double up.
We should go faster.
Thanks. No, I'm not going any faster with you. That was that was the nightmare of the XT all over again, man. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Again, be safe, have fun,
it's gonna be so much
and most important, keep it covered. All right, cheers, guys. Peace.
Yeah.